Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be diving into the Instant Pot Pro Crisp 11-in-1 air fryer and electric pressure cooker, and whether this all-in-one kitchen powerhouse is actually worth the hype. So if you want to check this product out, you can find its link in the description box below. So first of all, let's start with the breakdown. So the Instant Pot Pro Crisps combine the 11 cooking functions, including the pressure cook, slow cook, saute, steam, sauce vibe, roast, broil, bake, dehydrate, keep warm, and air fry. So this is serious versatility. So one of its biggest highlights is the Even Crisp technology, which uses a dedicated air fryer lid to give you crispy golden results with up to 95% less oil as compared to the deep frying. So if you like healthier versions of the fried food, this feature really stands out. The 8-quart capacity makes it very ideal for the families or meal preparation. You can cook larger portions in one go, which saves time during the week. It also comes with the useful accessories like a steam rack or non-stick air fryer basket and protective cover. In the real world usage, the pressure cooking function performs exactly as expected, which is fast, flavorful, and consistent. The air fryer delivers surprisingly crisp results with the minimum oil. However, because it offers so many functions, there is a bit of a learning curve. Some modes like saute and slow cook may take practice to fully master. So if you want one appliance that can truly do almost everything, and you value the convenience and the versatility, then this Instant Pot Pro Crisp is a strong investment for you. So if you want to check this out, again the link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.